Smooth and precise camera control is essential for creators. The Zhiyun Crane 4 comes with a touchscreen, front dial, and more, letting you tweak motor strength, time-lapse settings, and camera controls without ever touching your camera. Bluetooth shutter control reduces vibrations during delicate shots. Compared to the DJI Ronin, these integrated controls make mid-shot adjustments faster and more reliable. So let's have a look at these awesome Zhiyun Crane 4 features that are better than DJI Ronin. The Crane 4 weighs around 1.6 kilograms without a tripod, but the design distributes the weight evenly, reducing wrist fatigue during extended handheld sessions. Long shoots remain comfortable, allowing focus on framing and movement rather than physical strain. In comparison, some DJI Ronin gimbals may feel lighter initially, but hand fatigue becomes noticeable over extended periods. The Crane 4's ergonomic design ensures a balanced feel, especially during long, continuous shooting. The extended motor arms provide additional clearance for larger cameras and longer lenses. This design reduces motor strain and improves overall balance. While some Ronin models require extra accessories or counterweights to accommodate bigger setups, the Crane 4 handles them naturally. This makes mounting heavier cameras faster and more stable, saving time during preparation and ensuring smoother shots. The Intelligent Balance Indicator uses axis-specific LEDs to provide clear visual guidance for balancing the camera. This reduces trial and error adjustments and speeds up setup. On the other hand, Ronin gimbals typically rely more on manual balancing and feel. The Crane 4's visual indicators simplify the process, particularly in multi-camera setups or fast-paced shooting environments. The Crane 4 includes a built-in 10-watt fill light, delivering around 3,200 lux at close range. The color temperature is adjustable from 2,700 Kelvin to 5,500 Kelvin, with a CRY over 95, ensuring accurate skin tones. Unlike DJI gimbals, which require separate lighting accessories, this integrated fill light keeps the rig compact and ready for low-light shooting or interviews without extra attachments. The adjustable sling grip and wrist rest allow smooth transitions between single-hand and two-hand operation. Low-angle or long-duration handheld shots are more comfortable, minimizing fatigue. While Ronin grips are ergonomic, achieving the same level of flexibility often requires third-party accessories. The Crane 4's adaptable design makes it easier to maintain comfort throughout a shoot. Switching between landscape and portrait orientations is quick thanks to a mechanical lock. Rebalancing is not necessary, making it ideal for vertical content such as social media stories or reels. Many DJI gimbals require additional plates or manual adjustments for vertical shooting, which can slow down workflow. The Crane 4 simplifies this process, keeping content creation fast and efficient. Real-time camera control is enhanced through a touchscreen, front dial, and trigger, allowing adjustments to motor strength, motion time-lapses, and camera parameters. Bluetooth shutter control further reduces vibrations during delicate shots. While other gimbals include touchscreens, the Crane 4 integrates direct controls that minimize the need to touch the camera itself, providing smoother adjustments mid-shot. Motor performance is consistent and predictable, whether performing fast pans, slow push-ins, or complex arcs. Deviations are minimal and sudden corrections are virtually eliminated, maintaining smooth cinematic movements. Though Ronin gimbals are also smooth, the Crane 4 maintains reliability under heavier loads or longer focal lengths, making it particularly effective for dynamic or high-stress shooting scenarios. The Crane 4 provides up to 12 hours of runtime with PD fast charging and pass-through capabilities. Batteries can be recharged during shooting without interrupting workflow, ensuring continuous operation during long commercial days. While similar runtimes exist on other gimbals, the combination of fast top-ups and pass-through charging gives the Crane 4 a practical edge in demanding shooting schedules. Ecosystem compatibility is another strength. Dual follow focus ports and simple pairing with image transmission systems make it suitable for collaborative setups. Although Ronin gimbals work with follow focus systems, Crane 4 feels more naturally integrated, reducing the need for additional adapters or modifications. This simplifies multi-camera or crew-based shooting. For extended handheld sessions, vertical content creation, or multi-camera setups, the Crane 4 offers thoughtful solutions that help capture shots more effectively and efficiently. Thank you for watching. For more in-depth gear insights and comparisons, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.